How to record your computer screen with OBS. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to record your computer screen with OBS. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our browser, and then from in there you can just search for OBS Studio. Then you can see in here the official link of OBS, and then under that you can see this download. So click on download right there. And then in here, you just need to select your operating system. So if you're on Windows like me, you can just click on this right here. And then from in there, you can click on this download installer, all of this right here. So once you have downloaded that, you can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to install OBS. So right now, let me open OBS. As you can see right now, I'm using this to record this video. So from in here, what you need to do is you can just add in the sources. You can click on this plus icon right here, and then from in there you can see the Windows screen or any options like that. And then as you can see, mine is display capture, which means that I can actually record all of the things that are on my computer. So in here, as you can see, you can turn this on in order to get desktop audio, and order this mic in order to turn on the mic. So you can click on the start streaming right here, or stop recording, or start recording if you have that. Then after that, if you click on stop recording, then it will stop the recording and it will be saved to your downloads or on your videos folder. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to record your computer screen with OBS. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.